Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy product for pet owners that caught our eye, the automatic pet feeder 4-in-1 dog and cat food bowl combo. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. This innovative feeder is designed to make feeding time easier for both you and your pets. It includes a unique setup with 4 bowls, 2 for food and 2 for water, allowing you to cater to both dogs and cats simultaneously. The design is not only functional but also thoughtful, considering the needs of various pet sizes. One standout feature of this feeder is its use of liquid pressure to manage the water supply. This means less frequent need to change your pet's water, which can be a game changer for busy pet parents. The automatic water bottle bowl ensures your furry friends always have access to fresh water, while the food bowls are removable, making cleaning an easy task. The bowls are made from ABS material, ensuring they are pressure resistant and tasteless, which means they're safe for your pets to use. The stability of the feeder design means it won't easily tip over, even when your pets are excited about mealtime. This product is particularly suitable for pet owners with multiple pets, or even those with just one pet who appreciates having both food and water readily available. If you have a dog and a cat, this feeder is perfect for accommodating their different feeding needs. The 4-bowl system allows you to set up a meal station that caters to both, helping to streamline your feeding routine. In terms of practical use, the automatic pet feeder is ideal for those busy days when you might not be around to refill bowls. Imagine coming home after a long day and knowing your pets have had access to food and water while you were gone. It's also great for overnight trips or longer absences. Just fill up the bowls, and you can rest easy knowing your pets are well taken care of. Overall, the automatic pet feeder 4-in-1 is an excellent addition to any pet owner's home. It combines convenience, versatility, and thoughtful design, making it easier to care for your furry friends. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.